Ramadan is here already, and as usual, I will need the inspiration to know what to cook for the breaking of my fast. So, where do I head to? Of course, I go to my NTUC FairPrice. Madam Tan.
Yes,
Madam
Siti.
Tan. I want to cook something with prawns. You have a lot of prawns today?
Yes. We got so many types of prawn. Which one you like it?
Wow. Which one is the nicest prawn?
I think this one, seawater one, is the best.
Yeah, right. I'm going to cook macaroni rempah that uses prawns and some meat. Dari laut, kita ke darat pula. Itu dia daging-daging. Apa khabar, Latifah?
Sehat, Siti.
Banyaknya pilihan. This is one of my favorite sections because you can have a wide range of all the halal beef here. Whatever you want to cook. You want to cook oxtail, you want to cook ribs, you want to cook rendang. Saya nak bikin makaroni rempah. Saya nak pakai yang cincang.
Yang ini daging cincang.
Okey, terima kasih. Selamat berpuasa. So this is perfect for those who are in a hurry. They want to break the fast. You just grab their pizza, ready to eat pizza, or the chicken. You can break your fast on the go. Okay, we've got the frozen beef halal segment. By the way, if you are into Korean food, you will love this. Soon they will be having halal halasan chicken and beef bulgogi here at NTUC FairPrice. Okay, I've got the beef, I've got the prawns. Now time to get the macaroni and the spices. Let's go. My macaroni rempah uses a lot of rempah. And where's the best place to get the rempah? Here, of course. Look at all the range of rempah they have here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Meat spice. Hot and spicy. That's the way I like it. This is the pasta segment. And let me see apa yang mana saya nak pilih Which one? This one, if you mix soup, it's very nice. But since I'm going to do the fried version, I will go with this one. Stop. Oh, they have a dedicated corner for baking needs. Okay, and there's going to be a pop-up quiz stall. This is a local initiative by NTUC FairPrice to support the home bakers. So you will have a nice selection of ready-made kuih raya. Wow, a dedicated segment on dates, kurma. Okay, kurma salah satu yang mesti ada semasa Ramadan. Banyaknya. Tengoklah, saya tertarik yang ajwa juga Coriander. Cucumber. This is for my garnishing. So now that I've got practically all that I need, it's time to make payment. And I heard there's a surprise waiting for me at the payment counter. So what it is? Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm all ready to pay right now. And guess what? They have a Raya festive draw. For every $30 spent in-store or online, it gives you one chance to win. Mine is definitely more than $30. Purchase any participating product to earn a bonus chance. So, check out the link provided for more details, okay? Red car, red outfit. This car is destined to be mine. Let's go pay for this first. Okay, I got all the halal things from this store. This is one of the 36 NTUC FairPrice stores that carries a wider range of halal products. Oh, I just heard this. Nearer to Raya, NTUC FairPrice is going to bring in daun ketupat and ding-ding. Ding-ding is a must-have during Raya. But before I have ding-ding, you must try my pasta rempah first, okay? So let's get it quickly so I can go back and cook. Okay, I am back. It's time to cook my pasta. This is my mother-in-law's recipe. Back then, they will call it macaroni goreng. You don't care whether you use angel's hair or spaghetti, they call it all macaroni goreng, okay? So first things first, I put a little bit of olive oil here. We're going to cook it until it's al dente. Not so cooked, but just nice because we're going to cook it further. And while waiting for that, let's prepare the spices. This is garlic ginger paste, biryani spice, cumin, coriander, chili, and curry. Put in a little bit of water. We make it into a very thick paste. Okay, the pasta is cooked. So I have already drained the pasta and I put a little bit of olive oil. Now I'm going to fry the onion together with my cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves, and star anise. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the paste. So we're going to fry until the spice is very fragrant. We're going to put in the minced meat first. We're going to add some water, let the meat cook. Once the meat is slightly cooked, we're going to add in the prawns. Ooh la la! I'm going to put in a little bit of tomato puree and a little bit of asam water. I asam sikit. We let it simmer first, and once the prawn is cooked, we're going to add in salt and a little bit of sugar. So now we're going to add in the pasta. Okay, we're going to mix it well. Kita gaul sampai rata. Towards the end, we're going to add in some coriander leaves. This will add such a burst of flavor to our pasta. And we have cherry tomatoes to bring out the bright redness. Oh, like my outfit. Like the red car that we can get from the lucky draw too. And there you have it, our pasta rempah for your breaking of fast. Perfect to perk you up after one whole day of fasting. So make sure you do give this a try, okay?